Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
I have been in this House now, this is my third term. The Honorable Chapakonga had the misfortune of missing the last term. So he needs to relax. Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
my point was,
Make your point.
my
in 2
point was
minutes.
that on the second matter of my communication to you with regard to the replacement of the deputy minority whip not being complete. The Speaker, with all due respect, we have a difficulty agreeing with that position. But be that as it may, the Speaker, that as it may, the Speaker, once we initiate the process of replacement of our deputy minority whip, understanding Order 20A, it would have been advisable that you confirm first the removal of the Honorable Sabina Chege
Order, Honorable
to
Wandayi.
give us opportunity to make her replacement form.
Order, Honorable Wandayi. Order. Take your seat, please. The ruling has been very clear. It needs no interpretation. The wording of the standing order is plain English. It talks of replacement. Your letter talks of removal. Removal is not replacement. Replacement is to take